In a growing population of a country, option A, pre-reproductive individuals are more than the reproductive individuals. Now, in a growing population, there are generally more pre-reproductive individuals than reproductive age individuals. And this creates a population momentum where a large number of young people will soon enter the reproductive age, further increasing the birth rate and thus supporting population growth. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B, reproductive individuals are less than the post-reproductive individuals. Now, this is incorrect because in a growing population, there are usually more reproductive age individuals than post-reproductive age individuals. Because a population with most post-reproductive individuals is likely to be stable or declining rather than growing. Option C, pre-reproductive individuals are less than the reproductive individuals. It is incorrect because in a growing population, the number of pre-reproductive individuals must exceed the number of reproductive individuals. Option D, reproductive and pre-reproductive individuals are equal in number. It is also incorrect because in a growing population, the number of pre-reproductive individuals is usually higher than the number of reproductive individuals, because equality in these groups would indicate a stable population rather than a growing population.